The St. Benedict's Bursary Fund enables us to welcome a number of talented young people, regardless of financial circumstances, and provide these young people with an outstanding education alongside wonderful opportunities. But supporting each beneficiary every step of the way is a significant financial commitment. Providing a transformational education to talented and deserving young people reflects the high ideals of all those associated with the school. In order to increase the number of young people we support, we need your help. We don't want to leave any able and talented young person behind. With your support, we can drive social mobility to help bursary students fit in and flourish. That's why we offer up to a 110% bursary place, ensuring bursary holders are able to be fully immersed within our community. From school fees to uniforms, trips to music lessons and more. This level of funding allows bursary students to experience everything that St. Benedict's has to offer, from inspirational teaching and a culture of academic ambition to our superb facilities and exceptional range of co-curricular activities. With the incredible opportunities and stimulating environment our school offers, bursary students will thrive in a place which nurtures their personal growth and development. We're proud of the work we've done so far, but there are many more deserving young people waiting for a door to open for them. Let's help these young people too. My name is Brandon Grace. Because of people like you, donating to the Bursary Fund, I was able to come to St. Benedict's. And with your help, we can open so many more opportunities for people like me to come to St. Benedict's.